The company is a big supplier of several missile systems to the Indian Armed Forces and sees immense opportunity from the government's focus on import substitution of defense products. To discuss this, we're joined by Siddharth Mishra, who's the chairman and managing director at Bharat Dynamics. Siddharth, thanks a lot for joining in. I want to start by asking you about, what the visibility is in terms of orders. The last time we spoke to you, you said that you have a revenue growth target of 15% for FY23 and your FY23 target for orders is about 20,000 crores in terms of order inflows. How much has it been up until now and what is the visibility that you have? Would you like to scale up your targets?
Good morning, madam. Actually, right now our order book is around 12,000 crores. And as last time I had told that we have order book in pipeline for almost 8,000 crores. So by this year end or next year beginning, our order book will be around 20,000 crores. That includes our 3rd and 4th regiment of Akash weapon system. In addition to that, there are many other orders which are in pipeline. The new products like Helena, new products like Nag, all these are also in pipeline. So in next 2 to 3 years, not only 20,000 crores, this order book will swell to around 25,000 crores.
In the 25,000 crores is the estimate over the next 2 to 3 years. And the new products, you said Helena and Nag that are in the pipeline, by when will they come on your books?
See, certainly by next year, we are expecting orders for these two products. Both are state-of-the-art weapon systems. One is fired from a helicopter and other is fired from ground vehicle called Namika. And both of them have already been the user trials at advanced stage. We have already finished major trials. So by next year, we are expecting orders for this. And by next year end or next year beginning, we'll start production of these. And we are fully prepared for production of these missiles.
So your order book is very strong and the guidance on the order book picking up in the next 2 years is also very strong. From 12,000, you expect it to double to 25,000. Can you tell us a little bit about execution? Because your revenue growth in Q2 was just 9%. Can we see a pickup in execution which will help the company see a good double-digit growth, high teens kind of growth? What is the forecast on the growth front in the second half of the year and even for FY24?
See, this year, certainly we are going to cross double-digit growth. We are expecting around 3,200 crores revenue from operations. And next year, again, there will be a similar growth or more. Because by then, the order book for new products will also come. And the present order book, which is there around 12,000 crores, it is distributed for 3 to 4 years. So we will have new orders as well as existing orders. So with that, our growth will be at least more than 2 digits in next 2 to 3 years. And in next 3-4 years, certainly it will be almost double our existing revenue from operations.
Okay, that's you're saying in next 3 to 4 years, your existing revenue from operation will be double of what it is currently.
Yes.
Okay, that's quite an aggressive target and all the best for that. You had also told us last time that you're working towards reducing your current imports of about 10 to 15% and by FY26, 100% of your products will be indigenized. Just trying to understand if this will help you in terms of your operational performance because your margins are also very healthy. You're sitting on about 17% margins now. Last year it was 13%. Do you think you can build on that as well? And over the next 1 to 2 years, what could the margin profile be?
Certainly, see, whenever we indigenize our product, the main reason for indigenization is to reduce the cost. And whenever we buy from Indian market, certainly the cost is less. And presently, government and MOD is very seriously looking into reduction in import. and we have taken 2-3 different steps. For example, there is one portal that is called Srijan. Almost 1,000 components we have uploaded in this portal, so that anyone who's interested in manufacturing these items, they are welcome to indigenize and give it on to us. Not only that, there are many people who directly come to us for indigenization of the existing products. There's one issue that is certainly it takes some time because it is a single shot device, and missiles are supposed to be very accurate, and we look for a very high quality. So that takes a little time, but we are very sure that by next year and 25-26, almost the existing products will be fully indigenous.
You said the foreign procurement has come down significantly. What does it currently stand at? And do we have any numbers on what the government orders or the tenders are likely to be? What is the size that they are looking at?
See, as far as we are concerned, as far as missiles are concerned, certainly now government has shown that they will buy only Indian products or Indian manufactured products. So we have tied up with other OEMs for new technologies. For example, the Mistral missiles or Asram missiles, and many other companies like MBDA and Thales we are working with, and we are working with them so that we manufacture these missiles in India, as well as we will use this facility of manufacturing, because the cost of manufacturing will be much less than the European countries. So they are showing interest to manufacture in India, as well as for Indian product, Indian market, as well as for export to others. So now most of the weapons will be manufactured in India for Indian armed forces, and these products will also be exported to other countries.